You have to let that be a foundational understanding about the ways of God. So in your life, personally, you're going to have challenges, and they are some of your greatest gifts. Now, if you stare at the challenges, if you stare at, the enemies like Israel did, like you guys just read, and when they were going into the promised land, God left giants in the land. Remember, God led Israel into a promised land with giants. Why? He wanted them to dispossess the land. Okay, but we know the story. The spies go in, and they go in, and they were staring, 10 of them were staring at the giants. They were staring at the challenges, and they made an assessment. And when you do that, when you stare at the giants, it will produce something in you. Okay? It will produce fear. It will produce unbelief. It will produce doubt. It will always cause you to look at yourself. When you look at the enemies, or when you look at the challenges and you stare at them, it will always, and that's what happened with Israel. They looked at themselves and they said, this is a land that devours its enemies, and we are like grasshoppers. Now, when you do that, you cannot move forward. When you do that now in your life, you are not functioning in the kingdom.